Hello vlog. We are now going hiking. Hi.
Hi.
Say hello to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
Let's go. Oh my goodness. Look at how many people are in this coffee shop.
Coffee shop. A lot.
There's so many people. This line. Yo. 3D printing something. Say cheese. Say shaboing boing. Yeah, sit up straight.
You're stuck.
You're stuck.
Yo, where'd you go?
Yo, get a load of this guy over here. I'm walking away. The ice in this coffee, it's like Chick-fil-A ice.
It is sweet tea.
Oh, it changed colors again.
Sweet tea.
Why is it like that?
I don't know.
Aw, how sweet of you. Opening my door. Ugh. Ah. Ah. I went to the farmer's market and then I got Sunny some treats. Got it from Live Free and Bark. How cute. Apparently they can deliver to New York, but like an assortment of treats. A singular chicken feet. This is the park we're going to. Shaq's about to hit that from the back. Shaq or Drake. Wow, look at this boulder. That's a nice looking boulder.
That's a big rock.
Why don't you sit in that hole? You think you can fit in there?
I think I can. Shaq can.
How about you and Shaq? Look at this trail. Oh my god, we're actually in nature. Woo! Wow. It's the Table Rock. I'm
the one who's giving the $100.
You'll actually give me $100?
Yeah.
Look at us. Waterfall. Ugh. Ugh. It's so wet. Waterfall. I'll give you $100 if you jump here.
1,000.
100.
100,000.
100,000? Wow. What am I, made of money?
There's people here. We've been living here for weeks. Oh shit, yeah.
You're holding up the traffic over here.
Hey. I'm the one who's sacrificing that. Right?
Oh my god, it's so tight. How are we gonna fit?
Wait, I think it's a dead end.
Your butt's too big.
No, you can continue.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
You wanna go first, kids?
Because it's tight fit.
Yeah, sacrifice them. You guys go first. Oh, there's no way I'm gonna fit. You can try, sir. We give up. Ooh, your butt's dirty.
Is it?
Got a buffalo chicken wrap. What'd you get? I got a tuna wrap. It's so hard. Wow. Look at you. You had this all planned out, huh? Okay, now we're at Mount Washington Auto Road. Is that what it's called? Mount Washington Auto Road. You're just like driving up the mountain. Let's hope he's a good driver.
I'm an amazing driver.
Debatable.
Okay, again, I'm gonna make a 90 degree
I'm
turn.
just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Right off the cliff.
Wow. Oh my god, there's like snow up there. Whoa, look at it.
Wow. I gotta focus on the road.
Yeah, you do. Our lives are in your hands. Literally. Just a singular hand though.
Oh my god, there's more.
Look, there's like snow. We made it to the top and it's freaking cold up here. Mount Washington Summit, 6,228. Wait, what? Am I dyslexic? 6,288 feet. these steep stairs. What's so funny?
What are you saying?
How did I say it?
You sound so historic.
Staring at my lashes falling. Mount Washington.
Yeah, George Washington.
Where'd you get George Washington? Good morning. Today we are going to Portland, Maine. And we're gonna eat everything there. We have arrived at Maine.
Lily's Discovery Channel.
This is the lighthouse.
Like, pictures, yeah, doctor's exam.
A doctor's exam? A dying doctor?
Eye doctor.
Oh, eye doctor. This is the lighthouse. Hey, move your umbrella.
Oh, I was like, what?
Up close and personal. A magnet has been secured. Thanks!
Oh,
Okay, apparently, they're famous for their lobster rolls and blueberry flavored stuff. So we have to try all of those things. We're gonna get the Maine lobster roll. Okay, we got large Maine lobster roll, and then we got 2 of their root beers. This is the blueberry flavor, and then Andy got the ginger beer flavor. It tastes like blueberry.
It's just spicy.
Spicy?
Yeah, it's just spicy.
Ooh, this is very gingery. It is spicy.
It's very blueberry.
Did you know that a lobster roll is $42? To you?
It used to be peasant food.
Yeah, now it's $42.
Peasant and prison.
Alright, this is the lobster roll. Oh, you're gonna feed it to me?
Actually, I'm not going to feed it to you. You're just getting the dough. So it's pretty good.
I don't know how I feel about it being cold. I don't know why it doesn't be warm. Right?
I feel the butter rolls hot.
I think so too. They like pack it with like lobster meat though. Oh wait, there was a lemon. Did you squeeze the lemon on top? We are now at the Market Oysters Raw Bar, and we're gonna try some oysters. We just got a shandy. It's basically Pilsner beer with frozen lemonade. It's refreshing. It's like a cucumber lemonade.
I think she's cute. She really is.
Look at the spread. I'm in this side, I want it on this side. We're gonna try the Aphrodite first. We're gonna try the Johns River. That one's more like fishy.
To be honest, I don't really taste the difference.
Really?
I don't taste the difference.
I feel like that one tasted more like the ocean. This one is the Northern Belle. I don't like that. I don't like that one. That one was Blackstone Point. I like Blackstone Point and Aphrodite. This one's really salty.
I can't taste it.
He doesn't have a refined palate.
I can't taste the difference. They're all good though.
This is the last one. Ooh, that was a little sweet at
You can tell. I just think the bigger it is, the more I like it. I get more meat out of it.
Yummy. We're now at Gilbert's Chowder House. We're gonna try the clam chowder. Apparently it's award winning. We're about to find out. Got the lobster roll, clam chowder, and then a blueberry ale. Ale? Ow? Ale?
Ow.
It smells good. I really like this. But it's
Not really blue box, it's different.
I'm not gonna lie, I really like this one. It is award-winning.
Get rid of this girl.
We are now at the Holy Donut. Okay, we got the honey lavender and the whoopie pie. Try the whoopie pie. More blue sweet.
It's heavy.
It's thick. What do you think? You can smell the lavender. It's like thick donut.
Amazing.
There's a lot of people here.
Wait, donuts is really fuck.
Remember that Greg had Gordon Ramsay? I didn't know we had Gordon Ramsay over here.
Alright. I think we're gonna get the pretzel, but I hope not.
Get the beer can one. Oh, this is so cute. It's wine. We're trying 4 Allagash beers.
Yes.
And then we asked the worker to recommend us 4. So we got white, clementine, tropical lime, IPA, and then a little sal. We got Bite into Maine again, but this time we got the Connecticut. So it's warm butter. Wait.
You saw on top.
You're gonna squeeze it.
Oh. Alright, redo.
We hadn't even realized the lemon is just placed on top there. Warm butter with lemon squeezed on top. Hello world, we are back.
Oh, Earth.
We're going to Connecticut today in coffee. Coffee first always. Got a salted maple latte. This is a green smoothie, green machine, and then this is the Western wrap. Ooh, it's salted. But my first sip was so salty. Yummy. We're at the Parkville Market, and then we got a spam musubi shrimp rice rolls. Looks so good. What should we try first? Did you crumble up all the napkins? It's like cheese and...
Yeah, I love this now. Now let's try out the musubi. It's pretty good for the soup. And fun.